Students, listen attentively. This is the first lecture of this week. Selection of clusters with unequal probabilities with replacement. There are two methods of selection of clusters with unequal probabilities, that is probability proportional to size, PPS, and PPZ, probability proportional to estimate. Let Mi be the size of the ith cluster which the selected with probability, that is Zi. Zi is the probability of selecting the ith cluster, which is equal to Mi over M naught. Mi is the probability of the ith cluster with replacement, where Mi is the first, second, third, and so on cluster size. M naught is the total clusters, and unbiased estimate of the population total through selection of the clusters, probability proportional to the size. Y hat PPS is equal to M naught over N is equal to Y1 bar plus Y2 bar plus and so on Yn bar. M naught mean of the unit mean per element. Variance of y bar PPS is equal to M naught over N sigma I varies from 1 to capital N Mi over y I bar minus y double bar whole square, which is like variance of y hat PPS depends upon the unit mean per element. PPZ probability proportional to the estimate. Y hat PPZ is equal to 1 over N sum of I varies from 1 to N Yi over Zi. Variance of y hat PPZ is equal to 1 over N sum of I varies from 1 to capital N Zi into Yi minus Yi over Zi minus y bar whole square. Now here I shared theorem. Listen the statement of this theorem. If a sample of n unit is drawn with replacement with probability Zi and with replacement, then y hat PPZ is equal to 1 over N sum of I varies from 1 to N Yi over Zi is an unbiased estimate of y with variance of y hat PPZ is equal to 1 over N sum of I varies from 1 to capital N Zi over Yi over Zi minus y whole square. Is the derivations of this theorem. The method of drawing the sample is equivalent to the standard probability problems in which n balls are thrown into capital N boxes. The probability that a ball goes into ith balls being Zi at every throw. Consequently, the joint distribution of the Ti, that is the number of times that ith units appear in a specific sample n where Zi may at any of the values 0, 1, 2, 3 up to n is the multinomial expression. In multinomial expressions, the distribution is given as n factorial over Ti factorial into T2 factorial divided and so on Tn factorial into Zi raised to power T1, Z2 raised to power T2 and so on Zn raised to power Tn. For multinomials, the following properties of the distributions of Ti are well known. Properties of the multinomial distribution of expected value of Ti is equal to Nzi, variance of Ti is equal to N into Zi into 1 minus Zi, covariance of Ti into Tj is equal to minus N into Zi into Zj. Now y hat PPZ is equal to 1 over N sum of I varies from 1 to N Yi over Zi is equal to 1 over N sum of I varies from 1 to Ti into Y over Zi. When we multiplied it by Ti, then and taking summation from 1 to capital N, it will include only those elements which will be included in the samples. Because if an element is in a cluster, it will be replaced by 1 or otherwise it will be replaced by 0. So it may be write as 1 over n I varies from 1 to capital N ti yi into zi. Ti is a new variate and yi over zi is a fixed constant. Applying expectation on both sides, expected value of y hat ppz is equal to expected value of 1 over n sum of I varies from 1 to n yi over zi into ti. Here ti is a random variables and y as zi will be considered as constant. So expectation will be applied on ti. Expected value of ti is equal to n into zi. Zi will be cancelled out and then it will become n is also cancelled out, sum of I varies from 1 to capital N y is equal to capital Y. Hence expected value, hence y hat ppz is an unbiased estimate of population total, that is y. Now the variance of y hat ppz is equal to variance of 1 over n sum of I varies from 1 to n y over zi into ti. Now variance will be applied on a random variable, that is ti, and it will become 1 over n I varies from 1 to n y over zi whole square into variance of ti. Using cornfield approach, which we have learned in the second chapter of the sampling techniques, it has become 1 over n square sum of I varies from 1 to n yi zi variance of ti into 1 over n I varies from 1 to n and j varies from 1 to capital N minus 1. I is not equal to j, yi over zi into yj over zj, and covariance of ti into tj. Covariance of ti into tj is equal to minus n into zj. Zj will be cancelled out, and in first term n square n and zi will also be cancelled out. The remaining terms will equal to this one. Now take common 1 over n. We have that expression. After that, adding and subtracting y square in this expression, y square, adding and subtracting of y square means sum of I varies from 1 to capital N yi square. Now as sum of I varies from 1 to n y may be written as I varies from 1 to n y whole square plus summation I is not equal to j yi or yj, and yj may be written as this one, and it will be replaced from here, that is sum of yi yj, and these two terms, sum of that is this term and this term will become that term. Now it has become that one. Sum of I varies from 1 to capital N y is equal to capital Y. Now after replacing the values, we have variance of y hat ppz is equal to 1 over n sum of I varies from 1 to n yi square over zi minus 2y square plus 2y Now y square may be replaced by y into sum of I varies from 1 to n yi, dividing and multiplying by zi each term. Now and as I varies from 1 to n zi is equal to 1, Variance of y hat ppz is equal to 1 over n sum of I base from 1 to n zi into yi square over zi square minus 2y yi over zi plus y square. It is the complete square of yi over zi minus y whole square. So variance of y hat ppz is equal to 1 over n summation I varies from 1 to n zi yi divided by zi minus y whole square.